If you want to connect your Pioneer Xumo TV to Wi-Fi for wireless internet, or if you're looking to change your old Wi-Fi network and connect to a new Wi-Fi, then here's how you do it in just a few seconds. To connect your Xumo TV to Wi-Fi, you'll need to open the settings panel and from there go to Network. After that, select Connect to a Wi-Fi network, then find your network name from the list, put in your password carefully, and tap on Done. It will say connecting for a few seconds, and then connected. Now our Xumo TV is back online. Following the same way, you can change your Wi-Fi anytime you want. Also, you need to keep in mind that your Pioneer Xumo TV can only save one Wi-Fi network. So if you want to switch between Wi-Fi networks, you'll need to put the password each time. And that's how you can connect or change your Xumo TV's Wi-Fi network. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.